It's less than one time. Get your neighbor for a swing. Swing your neighbor. And then swing facing across. Join hands, circle to the left, 3 places. Partner swing on the side. Take hands in long lines, forward and back. Okay, ladies, you're gonna right Alaman 1.5 times until you can give your left hand to your neighbor, forming a short, wavy line. You should have left hands with your neighbor, and ladies have right hands in the center. Left hand to your neighbor, right hand to your other lady. Balance to the right and to the left, and then turn by the left hand 3/4 of the way around until you can form a long wavy line down the side with the ladies facing in, gents facing out. You now have you're in a long wave, balance to the right and the left. You actually are going to have your new neighbor in your right hand right now. Turn by the right hand 3/4 of the way around until gents can spot a new gent to Alaman left almost one time around to get to a new neighbor for a swing. New neighbor swing. And facing across, join hands, circle to the left. Partner swing on the side. Long lines, forward and back. Ladies right, 1.5. In short waves, balance right and left. Turn by the left to long waves and balance right and left. Turn by the right until the gent can spot that new gent to Alaman left almost one time to get to a new neighbor. And before you swing that neighbor, actually the dance starts with the gent's Alaman, so just get in position to Alaman that gent. All the gents should be lined up ready to Alaman. And this is called Chuck the Budgie by Mohr. With the music, gents Alaman left to get to a neighbor swing. Gents left. Neighbor swing up the side. Join hands, circle to the left. Partner swing. Long lines, forward and back. Ladies right, 1.5.